Yeah! What's going on YouTube? This is your boy Pressbot back with another video. And welcome to PDEnt. Hey! We're back with another video. This is the one I've been waiting for. The diss track against my nigga Eminem. Boy. MGK, I'll fuck with you, bro. But you did not make a song called Rap Devil. Eminem diss. We're checking this out, man. If this is your first time here, like the video, comment down below, subscribe, do all of the great stuff. Welcome to PDEnt. We're gonna check this out. You all know I don't have to waste your time. Let's get into it, man. Let's go. I've been waiting for this, boy. Oh, how many years ago is this? He was skinny.
Oh my god, Ronnie.
Hey, somebody grab some clippers. This fucking beard is weird. Tough talk.
Pause. Ima, whoa. Ima, whoa. Did you say Eminem's beard is weird? Oh, man.
Hey, somebody grab some clippers. This fucking beard is weird. Tough talk. My rapper paying millions for security a year. I think my...
Wait a minute, bro. Go back, bro.
Oh my god, Ronnie.
Hey, somebody grab some clippers. This fucking beard is weird. Tough talk. My rapper paying millions for security a year.
He said Eminem pays $1 million a year for security. But he's Eminem, bro. I would too. If I was as big as Eminem, man.
I think my dad's going crazy. Yeah, Haley, you right. Dad's always mad.
What? Did he mention? Oh. This is how you started. You mentioned Eminem's daughter, Haley. Man, this is where you messed it up, bro. You mentioned Eminem's daughter, Haley. Bro, if you're an Eminem fan like me, or an Eminem stan like me, you know Eminem's daughter, Haley, has been... Man, bro, I'm not about to explain Haley, how special she is to Eminem, bro. Man, this is where you started it, man.
Oh my god, Ronnie.
Hey, somebody grab some clippers. This fucking beard is weird. Tough talk. My rapper paying millions for security a year. I think my dad's going crazy. Yeah, Haley, you right.
I think my dad's going crazy. Who was saying it? Bro.
Dad's always mad, cooped up in the studio, yelling at the mic. You sober and bored, huh?
What? You said he's always cooped up in the studio yelling at the mic. Oh my goodness. Bro, this nigga is tough.
Rapper paying millions for security a year. I think my dad's going crazy. Yeah, Haley, you right. Dad's always mad, cooped up in the studio, yelling at the mic. You sober and bored, huh? I know. About to be 46 years old, dog. I'm talking about, I'ma call up trick. Man, you sound like a bitch. Man, if I handle your shit. Mad about something I said in 2012. Took you 6 years and a surprise album just to come with a diss.
Bro, I swear I'm about to get out this door, bro. I'm gonna... Bro, ngizophuma lada. Man.
I don't even get it. We know that you're the greatest rapper alive. You fucking dweeb, all you do is read the dictionary and stay inside. Fuck rap, I'm a black devil, come barefaced with a black shovel like a...
Bro, I can't even break down this bars, bro. This is crazy.
Yeah, and when the smoke settle, his body next to this instrumental. I'm saying, I'm sick of the sweatsuits and the corny hats, let's talk about it. I'm sick of you being rich and you still mad, let's talk about it. All of us think that.
I'm sick of you being rich and still mad, let's talk about it.
In the Midwest, we can talk about it. Or we can get gully outside everybody and put some white chalk around it. Hey, let's talk about the fact you actually blackball a rapper that's twice as young as you. It's called Sway, ask why I can't go up to Shake 45 because of you.
What? Bro. Somebody please. He can't go to Shade 45. I know Shade 45 is Eminem's thingy, bro. I don't know how to explain this thing, but I think Eminem is owns Shade 45 or something, bro.
That's getting scope, how you let
Oh,
Paul
man.
Rosenberg trying to shelf me. Still can't cover up the facts. Your last 4 hours is bad as a selfie. Now tell me, what do you stand for? What? I know you can't stand yourself. Trying to be the old you so bad, you stand yourself. Let's leave all the beef in the 50. Please. Damn, you pushing 50. Why you claiming I'm a call puff when you the one that called Diddy?
Bro, what is he talking about? Bro, somebody please let me down below, bro. Some of the stuff he's talking about, I have no idea about, bro. But I hear he's talking about Diddy, he's talking about Shade 45, and Eminem is the reason why he can't. Man.
Damn, you pushing 50. Why you claiming I'm a call puff when you the one that called Diddy? Then you went and called Jimmy. The cops called me in the morning. They told me you mad about a tweet. You wanted me to say sorry.
Oh!
I swear to God, I ain't believe him. Please say it ain't so. The big bad bully of the rap game can't take a fucking joke. All you talking fucking smoke, but not literally you'll choke. Yeah, I'll acknowledge it a go, but I'm the gunner, bitch. I got you in the scope. Don't have a heart attack now.
Bro, whoa. Bro, bro. Eminem, I don't know, bro. I haven't heard the Key Shot song, but if Eminem responded to this, man.
The rap game can't take a fucking joke. All you want is fucking smoke, but not literally you'll choke. Yeah, I'll acknowledge it a go, but I'm the gunner, bitch. I got you.
I acknowledge you the code, but I'm the gun. I'm the one who got you in the scope.
In
Man.
the scope. Don't have a heart attack now.
Oh my
Hands
god.
up.
Bro, this man is tough, bro. This song of his was tough. Against
The
Eminem.
OA, the real Slim Shady can't stand up. I'm sick of them sweatsuits and them corny hats, let's talk about it. I'm sick of you being rich and you still mad, let's talk about it. All of us single dads from the Midwest, we can talk about it. Or we can get Billy outside everybody and put some white chalk around it. Hello Marshall, my name's Colson, you should go back to recovery. I know you can go
Oh, boy, that's a hit. He said go back to recovery. Y'all know, I know that Eminem's album Recovery was the album that everybody was mad he put out. I don't even know why. I thought Recovery was good, bro, personally. But hey, MGK used that against him, bro. He said he must go back there.
Hello Marshall, my name's Colson, you should go back to recovery. I know your ego is hurting just knowing that all of your fans discovered me. Like damn, he a younger me, said he dresses better and I'm ugly, always thinking fuck.
He said he's the younger me, but he dresses better than me, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. What did Eminem say? MGK is younger him.
Like damn, he a younger me, said he dresses better and I'm ugly, always making fun of me. Stop all the thuggery, Marshall, you living in luxury. Hey, look what you done to me, dropping out just because of me. Damn, you in love with me. You got money, but I'm hungry. I like it this, but you won't say them lyrics out in front of me. Shout out to every rapper that's a fun of me. Know that I'll never do you like this fuckery. Still bitter after everyone loves you. Pull that wedgie out your dungarees. I got to
Do y'all notice that this one is carrying a shovel in this video? Hey, Petty for sure.
respect the OGs, and I know most of them personally. Hey, but you just a bully acting like a baby, so I gotta read you a nursery. I'm the ghost of the future, and you just Ebenezer Scrooge. I said I'm flexing, he won't get it. I ain't know it would be you. I'm sick of the sweatsuits and the corny hats, let's talk about it. I'm sick of you being rich and you still mad, let's talk about it. All of us single dads from the Midwest, we can talk about it.
Bro, this is not happening, bro.
Put some white chalk around it. Hey, ride a shotty cause I got a road that's dope. It's a fast road. When your idols become your rivals, yeah.
When your idols
Never
become your
hesitate to
rivals.
say it to your face, I'm an asshole.
Oh my
Just
God,
fuck
Ronnie.
you. We know you get nervous, rabbit. I see mama spaghetti all over your sweater. I wish you would lose yourself in the record that you made a decade ago. They were better. According to them, you're a national
Wait,
treasure.
what? Whoa. I'm missing something now.
Idols become your rivals, yeah. Never hesitate to say it to your face, I'm an asshole.
Oh my
Just
God,
fuck you. We know you get nervous, rabbit. I see mama spaghetti all over your sweater. I wish
Yeah.
you would lose yourself in the record that you made a decade ago. They were better. According to them, you're a national treasure. To me, you're a soft as a feather. The type to be scared to ask Rihanna for a number. Just hold her umbrella, Ella.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. He said, oh. please come back, bro. What, bro? What have I been, bro? Oh my goodness, bro. He said, wait, bro, let me catch that part again about the umbrella and Rihanna, bro.
You made a decade ago, they were better. According to them, you're a national treasure. To me, you're yourself is a feather. The type to be scared to ask Rihanna for a number. Just
The time to be afraid to ask Rihanna for a number, but want to hold the umbrella, Ella, Ella. Man, that was cold. That was cold.
Ella. I'm not afraid. Okay, eyes on the ground, chill on the couch.
What?
You gotta hold her umbrella, Ella. I'm not afraid. Okay, eyes on the ground, chill on the couch. You got an Oscar, damn. Can anyone else get some food in their mouth? Real. They made a movie about you. You in everybody's top 10. You're not getting better with time, it's fine. Eminem, put down the pen.
You're not getting better with time, it's fine. Just put down the pen. Bro, who are you talking about? Bro, you're not talking about Eminem, bro. Oh my goodness. This nigga, bro, I'm saying right now, bro, before I listen to Keisha, this man right here, MGK, right here, he signed what I call a lyrical death sentence, bro. What? Man. Oh, man.
In everybody's top 10. You're not getting better with time, it's fine. Eminem, put down the pen. Or write an apology over the simple fact you had the dish to acknowledge me. I am the prodigy, how could I even look up to you? You ain't as tall as me.
Oh, oh my goodness. Bro, I can't do this. Bro, I cannot do this, bro. Oh my God. He said you're not taller than me. How do I look up to you? Oh my. Bro, this nigga MGK was
I'm
cold.
6'4", 7 punches, hold your head still. Last time you shot 8 Mile was at home on a treadmill. You were named after a king. I was named after a gangster. And don't be a sucker and take my verse off of Yellow or Sour. Thank you. I just want to feed my daughter. You try to stop the money to support her. You don't want to always talk about the action. Text me the addy, I'm pulling up scraps. And I'm by my fucking self what's happening. He has some cap and salute me and shoot me. That's what he's gonna have to do to me when he realizes that it ain't shit he can do to me. Everybody always hated me. This isn't anything new to me. Yeah, there's a difference between us. I got all of my shit without Dre producing me. I know he's not used to me. Usually one of your disses should ruin me.
Dude.
Cleveland, everybody quiet to see that I'm reading a eulogy. Dropped an album called Kamikaze, so that means he killed him. Alright, he's fucked one rapper's girl this week, don't make me call Kim. I'm sick of the sweatsuits and the corny hats, let's talk about it. I'm sick of you being rich and you still mad, let's talk about it. All of us single dads from the Midwest, we can talk about it. Or we can get Billy, I'll size up your body and put some white chalk around it.
Bro. Bro, what the hell just happened, bro? Yo, I'm telling you right now, bro. MGK, there was a diss track, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. You went hard, bro. But I know for sure that Eminem went harder than you, bro. I already know that he came up with something even crazier, bro. Man. Yo, that's it from me today, man. We're coming back with Eminem's Kid Shots. How many views is this thing? Hold on. 368 million views. We're gonna see Eminem's, bro. How many views that is and whatever. I'm out for now, bro. I gotta, bro. This nigga did not diss my nigga Eminem like this. On to the next one, man. Oh my God.